So at MAKERSPACE, what we offer for students are equipment, programs like Adobe programs, and just expertise from our staff members.
You can find the MAKERSPACE at the Campus Center. It's by the bookstore across from the bathrooms.
Here at MAKERSPACE, you can find a wide variety of equipment, such as 3D printers, 2D printers is what we like to call them, sticker machines, button machines, laser cutters.
How you can reach MAKERSPACE is by going to our Instagram for the space itself, or just coming on by the space in person.
So we'd love for you guys to come through and visit us at MAKERSPACE, and if you have any questions, just follow us at MC MAKERSPACE on Instagram.